Heyo duckies, Andy Lippy here. Exeldro has just updated the transition table plugin. Let me take you through the update, smash the like button and subscribe, put your rocket for the stone. You can download the update either from the OBS forum or by using our OBS plugin installer at StreamUP.tips. If you have the manual install files, copy them to your OBS-studio folder that's usually in program files. You will need to replace the old files. If we open OBS and go to tools, then transition table, I'll add a few transitions for this demo. You also may notice mine looks a little bit weird. Don't worry though, it's because I filmed these videos in 4K now and sometimes OBS doesn't like it. If we now press the matrix button at the bottom, you will see it looks like the old transition matrix plugin. So if you were used to using that old plugin to manage your scene transitions, you'll be right at home here. Exeldro has also added more ways for you to back up your stream too. We can now press the export button at the bottom of the transition table window and save all our specified transitions to a .json file. Don't forget, he also has a great plugin to back up your scenes too. I'll leave a link up here and in the description. When it comes to bringing your backup back into OBS, just open transition table and press import. Select the JSON file and boom. Easy. Hit the like button if you learned something new here. I will always keep you up to date, so make sure you subscribe. Check out Exeldro's scene collection back up here. I'll catch you over there. Put your rocket for the stone.